In this example, we're asked to use the given conditions to write the general form of a linear equation. So, we want to write the general form of the equation of the line passing through -7, -10, and parallel to the line whose equation is 4x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. Now, anytime we want to come up with an equation of a line, if we have a point, which we do in this case, -7, -10, and if we also have a slope, we can come up with the equation of the line by starting with the point-slope form. But we don't have a slope quite yet, but we can get the slope. We know a line that's parallel to our line that we want. So, the parallel line has the equation 4x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. So we'll simply solve this equation for y, and we can choose the slope of this other line because parallel lines have the same slope. So if I want to solve this for y, I'll move the 4x and the -5 to the right-hand side, and I'll have 2y equals -4x plus 5. And when I divide each term on both sides by 2, I have y equals -2x plus 5/2. So, since we want our line to be parallel to this other line, we'll simply use the slope of this other line. Since this other line is in this form, y equals mx plus b, then we can just see that the slope of this other line is -2, and we'll use that same slope. And now we'll use the point-slope form to come up with the equation of our line. So we have y minus the y-coordinate, -10, is equal to our slope, -2, times the quantity x minus the x-coordinate of -7. We need to simplify a little bit, and we'll get y plus 10 is equal to -2 times the quantity x plus 7. And we want to distribute the -2 through on the right-hand side. Y plus 10 is equal to -2x minus 14. Now let's keep in mind what the instructions were. We want the general form of a linear equation. So the general form means we simply put all the terms on one side and set it equal to 0. So I'm going to move all the terms to the left-hand side. This -2x will become positive 2x over on the left-hand side. And then the left-hand side already has the y term, plus y. And then on the left-hand side I have 10. When I move the -14 over, it becomes positive 14, so 10 plus 14 is plus 24 is equal to 0. So we have 2x plus y plus 24 equals 0, and that's the general form of the equation passing through that original point, -7, -10, parallel to the other given line.